Hello, Chucky. I want to play a game. For decades you have convinced the audience that you're the most terrifying killer doll in cinematic history. Tonight is my opportunity to prove otherwise. Let the games begin.
Where's my snare? Okay, I'll admit it, chick, we're both a bit maniacal. But while I'm killing innocents, you're pedaling your tricycle. A mouthpiece for a psychopath who's dying far away. You're just a mannequin, the cycling is all a masquerade. Can you see it? Just a fancy prop and nothing but a dolly. And the swirly little cheeks are sweet, your face looks like a kid's lolly. Never even killed a man, for that you've lost respect. So how the hell are you a killer doll? I'm sorry, Jim, my mind's perplexed. You've never even held a knife, of course you ain't, you're not alive. You'll never feel a killer's thrill of making victims terrified. That means you're done, your cover's blown, now get your dad to take you home. And don't forget the tricycle, the little tie and dictaphone. What's with all the crazy puzzles? Grab a knife and take a shovel. Think your victim popped a buckle, guess she leaves without a struggle. All the effort, all the trouble floats away just like a bubble. Every single kill I hustle like a dog without a muzzle. Bow to the killer doll, I will have you screaming on the ground and bleeding. Bow to the killer doll,
So that then you're leaving, justify your freedom.
bow to the killer doll, hunt you while you're sleeping, in the dark I'm creeping. Bow to the killer doll.
I am always scheming, puzzles I'm revealing. I want to play a game. It's funny you should mention I'm a mouthpiece to a psychopath. I'm guessing you've forgotten you're a killer, voodoo's aftermath. Say that I can kill a man, I think you missed the point. I make the trap so they can kill themselves. They lose their mind and pop their joints. I get my victims hypnotized, they look into my cheeks and since you're making this a fashion show, I love